Sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza Jane. Some of you may also know me as Liza Locks. Today I just want to do a couple easy styles. But first, I want to start with the basic braid and show you how to do it. I never realized so many people do not know how to make a braid.
So, let me just show you how to do a braid. You are just going to section your hair in 3, just like this.
And all you do is cross over, cross over, cross over. See how easy a basic braid is? And once you have this down, so many styles are open. I have a lot of dreadlock styles in my videos that have braids in them. And so once you have this one down, you will be able to do all those. So what you're gonna do again, split this in 3 evenly. You cross over that bottom one. Every time you cross over, that side goes over. So you crossed over here, that side goes over. Crossed over there, that side goes over, and so on, and so on, and so on. You can do that. Simple.
Simple, simple. And there you got the basic braid.
So we are going to just do a big old ponytail to start. I'm grabbing my largest favorite band. Grab whatever works for you and for your locks. I'm gonna flip my head over. Grab my hair into a ponytail. I'm gonna wrap it around twice so it's nice and snug. Then I'm gonna split my hair into 2. And I'm going to grab one side. And all I'm gonna do is the basic braid. Nothing fancy.
Just a basic braid all the way down.
Even though having beads makes it a little tricky to braid, I do think it's adorable to see them popping out of a braid. Okay, so we got that one. And we're gonna go to the other side and do another basic braid. Go all the way down as far as you can. Tie it off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of my braids. Really doesn't matter which one you do. And I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna wrap it all the way around, tucking in my wispy ends. Now, if you don't have wispy ends, feel free to add bobby pins. I am mostly at home, I work from home, so if it falls, I just throw it back up. But bobby pins are a lifesaver if you're on the go or going to a fabulous place where you need to wear your updo. Then you're just wrapping the other one around. And that is it. How easy was that? It happens, you just fix it. Wrap it around. No big deal, nobody knows.
That's part about dreadlocks.
Okay, so you can do this. Keep it just simple and tidy like that. Or you can have a little more fun. And you can scarf it up. I just come around the back. Come up front. Go back. Go back. And if you had a little bandana, if you tied it up, going to give it a totally different look. Don't be afraid to try scarves and bandanas, especially if you're going from daytime to evening and you want to change your look. Those are a simple way that you can transition. A great thing about having fringe bangs is you can play with that too with styles. So I could have kept it all swept up and tidy in there, or I can bring some of it down and have a little softness around my face, framing my face. See how tight and snug this is?
It ain't going anywhere.
I would not need to add bobby pins at all for myself. Let's take a look at that one more time. Okay, now I wanted to show you this because all I'm doing is lowering it. And so many times we can change a look by just changing the position of our hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make it a tidy band. Now I like to make sure my hair is covering all my spots so I don't have any gaps showing, no scalp, or hopefully hardly any. And I'm just gonna wrap it around twice. Just like so. I'm going to split it in half, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just making braids, simple, simple braids all the way down.
As far as you can.
Take your band, tie it off, and we're gonna come to the back. Again, it doesn't matter which one you use. Make it a little more chic.
Maybe you're going for a drive on the coast. I wish I was going for a drive on the coast, to be real. There's no coast in Indiana.
Totally different look. Totally different style. Stuff these in. I hope you found these styles easy and beautiful. If you do try these, take a selfie, tag me on Instagram, Liza_locks. I would love to see that. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a good day.